Hi, welcome to this tutorial. We'll be looking at analysis of seminar by trying to identify the potential challenges, the limitation and advantages of a seminar method. In our previous video, we talked about the concept of seminar, having defined it as a method of learning that brings people together, brings experts and participants together for discussion, for brainstorming. However, there are certain challenges that may set back the effective seminar method, and also certain limitations that may set back the effectiveness of a seminar. So it is important for organizers to identify certain challenges or potential challenges and limitations before organizing a seminar. One of those potential challenges might arise from the angle of the participation. Participation in terms of lack of engagement or domination of a group-led discussion, wherein individuals are grouped or participants are grouped for a particular discussion. There are tendencies for some individuals who might have more knowledge on the subject of discussion to dominate the discussion, thereby leaving others and render them silent. So this also creates a challenge. Second challenge is the time management. At times there will be overrunning of sessions. One session may, because the organizers have already planned the seminar, how it is going to be conducted, allotting times to particular sessions. But because of this nature of certain topic in a particular session, it might overrun its own time and even start entered into the time of the other. So in this situation, it is necessary to identify this as a potential challenges. At times also, insufficient time for discussion also cause a challenge for seminar discussions. Technical issues such as equipment malfunctioning can also arise. Maybe in a situation where a seminar is organized online, there is tendency for network glitches to affect the discussion during the process of conducting a seminar. So these are just a few. We still add more potential challenges, such as unclear objectives. When a seminar has an unclear objectives, there's tendency that participants may feel confused or even disengaged because the objective of the seminar is not too clear. Inadequate preparation from the part of the organizer or the expert being invited can also cause a potential challenges to seminar. Then diverse background, because individuals were invited from different backgrounds to attend the seminar, so everyone comes to that seminar with different aspects, with different view, with different philosophy. As a result of that, there may be a clash of ideas or experience or a perspectives of individuals in the seminar. Also, logistic and implementation challenges may also arise in terms of venue booking, scheduling and coordination. And the aspect of implementation, for instance, lack of follow-up, difficulty in applying learned knowledge also causes certain challenges to effective seminar method. There are certain limitations of seminar method which include limited reach. If the advert is not enough or did not go to a large audience, then there may be restricted, or maybe it reaches a very large audience and a large population feels express their interest of attending, so there is tendency to restrict the number of participants. So this is also a limitation. Exclusion of individuals with limited access to technology can also be a limitation of seminar method. Time consuming. Actually, seminar consumes time, so sufficient or significant time and effort is required for organizers, speakers and participants. It is also expensive. Seminar is expensive, particularly if it involves venue rental or travel or usage of technology. Also, another limitation of a seminar is the dependency of the seminar itself on the expertise of the presenters or the facilitators. So if the facilitators invited are not too expert in their field, then it will set a drawback of effectiveness of the seminar. So the success of the seminar relies heavily on the skill and knowledge of the facilitator or the speaker. Limited depth may only scratch the surface of complex topics due to time constraint. When time is not enough, then certain topics might not be discussed in depth. Rather, it is just the surface of the topic that will be discussed. So this is also a limitation to an effective seminar method. At times, not all participants are actively engaged in the discussions. So for that reason, there may be passive learning among some individuals. So it is very important that the organizers or the moderator should note this and encourage individual or every individual to participate in the discussion. Despite all these challenges and limitations, seminar methods still have certain advantages, some are such as interactive learning, which individuals are active in the discussion and involved also in a debate on a particular topic. Knowledge sharing is also an example because experts and practitioners share insights, their research findings, and their best practices in the seminar. Skill development is also another part of it. Once an individual attends a seminar, there's opportunity for them to develop their communication skills, their presentation skills, their problem solving skills, and even their critical thinking skills. Also, networking opportunity is provided as another advantage for attending a seminar, because since seminar brings together individuals from diverse backgrounds, it creates opportunity for collaboration and networking. Seminar is sometimes very flexible because it gives opportunities to participants and experts to present their own opinion. So it can be tailored to suit different topics, audience, and even different formats. Real-world application, so as case studies, group activities, and discussions allow participants to apply theoretical knowledge to practical scenario. Professional development is also another advantage because seminar offer a platform for continuous learning and staying updated with industry trends and advancement.